In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image to Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few simple tips to make the process smooth and frustration-free. First, open Adobe Express in your web browser and log into your account. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will help everything load quickly and keep the editor responsive. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home area where you can start something new or pick up where you left off. Next, either create a new graphic, video, or design, or open an existing project you want to update. When you create or open a project, Adobe Express launches the editor. This is where all the magic happens. Your canvas is in the center, and your tools and panels are around it. In the editor, look for the panel labeled Media, Photos, or Images. Depending on updates and layout, you'll typically find it on the left side of the screen. This panel is your hub for bringing content into your project. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the left sidebar or scrolling through the tool list. It's there to help you manage and organize the visuals you add. Now, let's upload your image. Inside that Media, Photos, or Images panel, click the option that says Upload from Device. A file browser window will open, showing your computer's folders. Navigate to the location of your image, select the file you want, and click Upload. You'll see a short import process, and then your image will appear in the panel, ready to use in your project. If you're working with large images, give it a moment to finish transferring. If you prefer a faster route, you can drag and drop an image directly from your computer's File Explorer right onto the Adobe Express editor. When you drop it on the canvas, Express imports it and adds it to your media as well, so you can reuse it in other parts of the project. A few quick tips to keep things clean and sharp. Common formats, like JPG and PNG, work great, and PNG is ideal if you need transparency. Choose images with sufficient resolution so they look crisp, especially if you plan to print or display them at larger sizes. If performance slows down, resizing overly large files before uploading can help. That's it. Open Adobe Express, start, or open a project, find the Media or Photos panel, and upload from your device, or simply drag and drop. You're ready to keep creating.